Continuations, the fourth question. What are the characteristics of adulthood? This is also important for you. You may get in your textbook is there is the answer. Characteristics of adulthood are there are 10 points are there. You can write 3 points in this. The first point, the physical maturation is complete. Second point, height and weight may increase slightly. Physical abilities are their peak, including muscle strength, reaction time, and cardiac functioning. Third point, physical abilities are at their peak. Sorry, this is the fourth point I'm telling. The lens of the eye starts to stiffen and thicken. Fifth point, changes in vision. Sixth point, sensitive to sound decreases. Seventh point, the skin becomes drier and wrinkles start to appear. Eighth point, the immune system becomes less adept at fighting off illness. 9 point, slowly the aging process becomes more apparent. 10 point, age spots and blood vessels become more apparent as the skin continues to dry and get thinner. Next, fifth question. State mental and physical characteristics of adolescents. It's also important. Physical characteristics. First, in adolescence period, many physical changes take place spontaneously. The development in internal and external sexual organs begins in the adolescence rapidly. During the period of 12 to 14 years, various changes can be seen, especially in girls. In this stage, menstrual cycle begins in girls and nightfall in boys. Hair starts appearing in the axilla and pubic region. The enlargement of breast begins in girls. There are changes in voice also. Boys have broad chest, broad shoulders and normal buttock, whereas girls have less broad shoulders and chest. The hip of girls become very broad and legs become round. Owing to such changes, they become restless, impatient, worried and upset naturally because they do not have complete knowledge about such changes. Due to this reason, their activities are not balanced. There is no concentrate on their work. The mind will be diverted. They cannot take any decision at that because no knowledge about it. Some elderly people can explain them this happened, this is going to happen. That's why father, mother, anybody is close to you, they can ask the girl child, maybe mother, grandmother, aunties or whoever is, they will give guidance to the girls. The mental characteristics. Physical growth and mental growth go simultaneously, but it is not applicable for all the adolescents. It has been seen in case of some adolescents that they lag behind in the mental growth in the previous stages, though they achieve physical maturity much earlier. In fact, they achieve mental growth later on. when they are able to go into the depth of things. They demand self respect, dignity, and self independence. They remain in stress and become worried easily. They also indulge in daydreaming. This is mental characteristics. So now the last question to you: what is the difference between growth and the development? You can see in the character growth and development differentiate. You can find out that between. You see the textbook, there is two paragraph is there. You can find the answer. So this is for your this week work. Next week I will go with next chapters. One weekly once you will have alternative volleyball, basketball, and section A health and hygiene. Morning class, stay safe, stay home.